Know those moments when all your worries hit again.
All right, Dry Creek Trail here on the Columbia River Gorge. This trail is part of the PCT. It's about 4.5 miles, and it's in the 30s today, so it's a little chilly, but we came prepared. We also brought a special guest. Mackenze's back there, so say hi in the comments to her.
Let's just pretend that it'll work out in the end and turn out fine. Yeah. Every night crashes down on you like an avalanche, opening up the deepest parts of your thoughts, and all you find is deeper shades of blue. So let's dance for hours, letting time pass like the wind. What's on your mind? But leave that behind and let loose. Show your problems out the door and let loose. Ain't no worries on the dance floor. Just let the weight of your shoulders show them what you're made of. Right here, right now. Ain't no worries when you let loose.
Killer waterfall. Wow. We got Mackenze in the back. I don't know if she's enjoying the views though. She's kind of tucked in there, but end of the trail, we're gonna head back, and if you ever get a chance to make it out here, totally worth it. Okay, we're coming near the end of our hike today. Clocked about 4 miles, so it's a good one. If you just want to get out and do a quick one, but that waterfall was totally worth it. Mackenze did awesome back there. She's tucked away still. She's definitely going to get some treats when she gets home. So, all right. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next trail.